Hi, this is Abdul Karim on Khaleej Times, and in this video we're going to be explaining the historical plunge of US crude prices. On Monday, April 20, US crude prices fell below zero for the first time in history. And it was described as a Black Monday. And the reason why it was described as a Black Monday was because there were only sellers and no buyers at all. After all the mayhem last night, West Texas Intermediate, or WTI, the grade of crude oil used as a benchmark in oil pricing in the US, is currently trading at just under $2 a barrel. That means a burger would cost more in the UAE than a barrel of the US crude right now. The price of barrel last night fell as low as minus $37.63 a barrel. So what does that mean? It means oil producers are paying buyers to take the commodity off their hands over fears that storage capacity could run out in May. So why is there such a situation suddenly? Well, it's not an overnight situation. Demand for oil has significantly dried up as COVID restrictions across the world, including here in the UAE, have kept people inside. So what's happening now? Oil firms have resorted to renting tankers to store the surplus supply, and that has forced the price of US oil into negative territory. How real is this drop in price? The severe drop on Monday was driven largely by the global oil market trends. Oil is traded on its future price, and May futures contracts are due to expire today, April 21. Traders were keen to offload holdings to avoid having to take delivery of the oil and incur storage costs. That led to last night's market mayhem. So what ails the oil industry? The oil industry has been struggling with both decreased demands. Earlier this month, OPEC members and its allies finally agreed a record deal to slash global output by about 10%, the largest cut ever agreed. But many say the cuts were too little, too late. So what's the bottom line? It is simply that the world right now has more crude oil than it can consume right now. And it's not just about whether we can use it, it is also about whether we can store it until the COVID restrictions are eased enough to generate some additional demand for oil products. Well, we hope this has explained the historical plunge of US crude prices. To learn more about this, you can log on to khaleejtimes.com. Thank you for watching.